Now let's build the project for fading light. Now here's the components. We need the mini breadboard. And second, the LED color green light. We need to put the LED light on the mini breadboard. Third, the resistor 220R. Lastly, the 2 jumper cable. This cable serves as the connection of mini breadboard to the Arduino board. Now, we need to connect the Arduino board on the laptop using this cable. Now, it's working. Project 4 Fading Light.
Hey everyone, this is John Johnson Albaclao. I'm gonna explain our Arduino 4, which is the fading light. So first, this code controls an LED connected to pin 10. It means it declares pin 10 as an output using pin mode, LED pin, and this indicates that the LED is connected to pin 10, and the pin will be used to output in the electrical signals. So next, the initial serial communication at 9600 bits per second, which is serial that begin to 9600. So it means this enables communication between the Arduino board and a connected computer or other devices via the serial port. And this is useful for debugging and monitoring. Next is the void loop. It calls the function to fade the LED on and off with the specified time intervals and increments and decrements. So next, void fade on in the fading light. It means that this function gradually increases the brightness of the LED from off to full brightness. Then it uses the for loop to increment the brightness value from 0 to 55 in steps specified by the increment parameter. Then inside the loop, it prints the current brightness value to the serial monitor for debugging purposes. And then it sets the brightness of the LED using analog light, that LED pin in a comma and value. Then we also add a delay time, which is to control the speed of fading. Yan. Same with the function in the void fade off function. In this function, gradually decrease the brightness of the LED from full brightness to off. Then similar to fade on, we use a for loop to decrement the value from 255 to 0 in steps specified by the decrement parameter. Then inside the loop, it prints the current brightness value to the serial monitor. Then it sets the brightness of the LED pin to inside the loop. It prints the current value to the serial monitor. Then it sets the brightness of the LED using the analog light LED pin, comma, then value. Then we added also a delay control time, which is to control the speed of fading, similar to fade on function. That's all. Thank you.